guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we're doing a bit of a transformation using my favorite products. I don't really want to talk too much throughout this video, but I just want to tell you guys the current products I've been loving that I've been wearing every day. So this is basically just an everyday makeup tutorial of what I'm wearing currently and my current favorite makeup products, I guess. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what kind of makeup I've been using basically all the time lately, I've learned a few new techniques, I've found a bunch of new products, then just keep watching this video. Also, take a look at my nails. Because, like, how cute are they? They're so cute. I'm so proud of them. I hand painted them. I guess I can zoom you guys in for the face stuff. I don't know. It's fine. I don't remember how to film videos. Okay, so basically I still do my makeup the same way that I have for a long time. I haven't done much differently. I still do my brows first. I always use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is my absolute favorite since I discovered it. I barely switch back to my e.l.f. Instant Lift, which is so crazy. But yeah, that's what I use all the time now. So like usual, I just start by brushing up on my brows, which I have not been like trimming or plucking my brows very much anymore because they're already so thin, and I do like the feather brows now. I don't feel the need to do that because I just make them look fluffy. So honestly, the more brow hair I have, the better. So basically, that's all I do. Then I've kind of gotten back into using the Makeup Revolution Rehab Brow Soap. I've been really liking this again lately. Instead of the NYX The Brow Glue, it's actually getting a little low. And then I use the Pure Haze Mist Setting Spray. These work really well together. Then I just take my absolutely disgusting spoolie because I really need to wash my makeup brushes. Then I just take that and run it through my brows. I just found out that e.l.f. came out with a new like brow thing, and I feel like I need to try it. Alright, I'm gonna go do my other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, my brows are done. So typically if I was doing eyeshadow, then I would start with eyeshadow, but on a daily basis, I don't really wear eyeshadow. So we're going to jump into primer and foundation. I haven't really found a better primer than this. This is still my number one, the J.Cat Beauty H2O Fresh Dewy Base Primer. It's still my favorite. I never even shop for primers. I probably should because I haven't found any that I really, really like. I mean, this one's good. It's nice and hydrating. And to update you guys, I was using that Wet n Wild one with the rose water in it. And I've had a lot of acne lately, and I don't know if it's related, so I've stopped using it. I might use it every once in a while, but I don't think I want to use it like multiple days in a row. And to be a bit boring, my favorite foundation hasn't changed either. I'm still really loving the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin Tint. I have mine in the shade Hint of Marshmallow. This is still my absolute number one. I'm going to try and not get it on my brand new sweater from H&M. This is also the only clean sponge I have, if that tells you guys how long it's been since I washed my brushes. I wonder if anyone else really just likes this foundation with a sponge. Because, like, I know it's just a skin tint, but, like, even with a sponge, the coverage is just, like, perfect. It's what I want. It's really light coverage, but it makes my skin look all dewy and, like, refreshed and, like, healthy. I don't know. It's, like, the perfect, healthy glow. And also, since the shade is, like, a little bit warm for me, it kind of makes me look more tan. Not that I can really be tan, but it makes me look tanner than I am. My concealer hasn't really changed much, but there's something new that I do with my concealers. I don't do this all the time, but I did it the other day, and I've done it a few times since then, and I was like, wow, that looks so good. So I'm going to show you guys. The first concealer I'm going to use is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Still using this, still loving it. I have mine in the shade Fair Warm, which again is just like a little bit warm for me, but it works really well with this foundation because of that. This is a very full coverage concealer. My skin in between my eyebrows and like right under my eyebrows is extremely dry lately. I don't really know why, but I've been trying to like moisturize it and rehydrate it, but it is just so dry all around my eyebrows and in between my eyebrows. Alright, now we're done with the first concealer. So I've seen this technique used by many people, okay? And it's the using a lighter concealer to like extra highlight and brighten around your eyes. But I thought, because I'm so pale, that I just couldn't do that until I realized that I do have a concealer that's pale enough to actually do that. That is the Rare Beauty concealer. I have mine in the shade 110 Neutral, which this isn't even the lightest shade. But I got a shade lighter than the foundation because I thought they all matched up pretty well. And they do, but this is like way too light for me. I should have just gone with the same shade as the foundation. So this works perfectly for highlighting right here where I have all of this like dark blue and like dark purple color. It works really nice. I look so much like more awake and it just looks so much brighter. Because if I were to put that all underneath my eye, it would look like way too much. But just using a little bit in the inner corners, it looks so good. Before we powder, I have to do bronzer because my current favorite bronzer is a cream bronzer. It's the Refi Cream Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Sand. As you guys can probably see, it's super used. I use this all the time. I don't really have a good applicator for it, so I'm still just using the e.l.f. Putty Blush brush. It's still a habit to tap it off, even though it's not a powder. It's like, oh, I'll get too much if I don't tap it off. I know it looks a little harsh right now, but once I put powder over it and blend it in, it always like blends out really nice all together. I can't even believe it, but my current favorite powder is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This stuff is so good. I honestly was like, there's no way it's as good as everyone says it is. It's just a powder, but like, it is not just a powder. This stuff's amazing. This is the miniature and it's still lasting me. Like, this is a pretty big miniature. I can't even imagine like getting the big one. I probably wouldn't because I'd probably spill it. But this is nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat out all my creases. That's just something I do like about using cream products more now, is that like it's really easy to go back in and like adjust. Like, I don't know, just like the blurring effect of this is so nice. And the color's really nice because it's translucent. I feel like it has a little bit of color, but like, since it's translucent, that color is like the right color for me. And see, now everything just kind of looks all blurred together because of how amazing that powder is. Alright, so on to blush. I have an honorable mention because when I originally thought I was going to be filming this video, I had a favorite blush that I want to share with you guys, which, I mean, you probably already know, but it's the Pat McGrath Divine Blush in the shade Flirtatious. This was 100% going to be my blush for this video. Then Laura Lee just had to like steal the thunder and come out with the Blush Aesthetic palette, and now this is my favorite. Yesterday I wore Tiger Lily and Chateau Rose like mixed together. I don't really know what I'm going for today. Probably just Tiger Lily, maybe by itself, or maybe mixed in with Bridal Pink. I think that's kind of my favorite combination. I've also been putting blush like on top of my bronzer just because I really like blush. So then for a highlighter, it's still the same. I still really love my Makeup Revolution X Soph. This is in Sugar Frosting, and this is the best. Although originally I really liked this shade, and now I really like this one. So I use that one just about all the time. It's just such a nice highlight. I mean, really. They're so creamy and buttery, and they are so pigmented and like blinding. Like, you can soften them, but they can definitely be like in your face. The nose highlight for the win, you know? Now I will do a setting spray, but like this setting spray is okay. It's just really the only one that I have. I need to get the e.l.f. one again, the hydrating one, because that one makes my skin look amazing. I haven't bought it again. I don't know why. Alright, so since I can't see very well because I need glasses and I'm not wearing them right now, I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera because I'm going to have to get so close just because that's how it always is, but sometimes I try and do it for you guys, but I'm not feeling like it today. So I'm going to do it off camera. I'm just using the Bite Beauty Upswing eyeliner. I currently don't really have a favorite eyeliner. I've just been using quite a few different ones. This one's probably my most used recently, but like, I don't know, I'm kind of like off on eyeliners. I'm just not like sure which one's my favorite really. Alright, so I've done my eyeliner, nothing too exciting there, just the simple little wings that I always do. Now for mascara, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist base mascara, like primer mascara. I need to get a new one of these, mine's like super dry, but that's what I'm going in for first. Also, I already curled my lashes. I always curl my lashes because I've got these itty bitty little pathetic things that don't like to stand up on their own. Now, my favorite mascara is still the Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara. This is still the #1 in my book. I don't wipe it off as much anymore because, like, since I've started using it, obviously it's, like, dried up a little and there's a little bit less product, so I don't feel the need to wipe it off as much as I used to. I'm not gonna lie, my lashes aren't as great as they used to be. They used to be a lot better, but they're okay, I guess. I need to look into, like, some lash serums or something to see if I can get something to, like, I don't know, fix them a little bit. Alright, so this isn't something I do all the time, but I'm going to do it today. So, since I didn't do any eyeshadow or anything, I am going to go ahead and put on an eyeliner, a colorful eyeliner. This is the Glisten Cosmetics Split Liner in Grapevine. I feel like on a no eyeshadow day and like on a basic makeup day, adding a wet liner is just like a simple thing that you can do to like make your makeup just like spice it up like a little bit more. I'm gonna call that good. You can't even really see it. I'm kind of shocked. Normally you can like see this pretty well, but today it kind of looks like you can't, but that's alright. Okay, so I'm a little bored with this eye look, so I am gonna add a little bit of eyeshadow. Going into my Morphe 35 eye, I'm going to the shade Brilliant. I used to wear this all over my lid like every day, and I'm going to wear it today because this is like the most stunning eyeshadow in the world. Last but not least, the lips. So still the same favorite lip combo, the Kylie Cosmetics Dulce K lip liner and the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Mine looks weirdly like discolored. It kind of grosses me out, but like this isn't that old. Also, I need my lip oil back. I haven't had my lip oil in forever because again, too lazy to shop off the e.l.f. website. Like, my lips have been so chapped without that lip oil. Alright, and that is my everyday makeup done. I don't know, I feel like with this hair and this sweater and like the purple and everything, I just feel very like kawaii today. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. If you wanted to see any of these products in action, these are my current favorite makeup products. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will have them all linked down below for you guys if you're interested in buying any of these products. I'll put them all down below so you can enjoy them as much as I do. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every week. I'm trying to get back to 2 videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!